works. Abot pa tayo. We're back at the airport after 238 days. But it will turn 239 once it comes. 238. We're done with the era from South Korea trip